Sending money to loved ones in Ghana just got a whole lot easier. In this video, we're diving into how to use Remitly to send money to Ghana quickly and securely. First, head over to Remitly's website or open the Remitly app. If you don't have an account, now's the time to sign up. It's quick and easy. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and follow the prompts to verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security, ensuring your money gets where it needs to go. Now, select Ghana as the country you're sending to. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. Remitly will automatically calculate the exchange rate and display any transfer fees associated with your transaction. Keep an eye on this to understand the total cost. Next, choose your preferred delivery option. Remitly offers several choices in Ghana, including bank deposits directly into your recipient's account, mobile money transfers to their phone, or cash pickup at convenient locations. Fill in your recipient's details accurately, including their full name, address, and bank details. If you're doing a bank deposit, double-check everything to avoid any delays. Now, add your payment information. Remitly accepts various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Before you finalize the transfer, review all the details carefully. Make sure the amount, recipient information, and delivery method are all correct. Once you're happy, hit send. You'll receive a confirmation with a transaction ID, and Remitly will keep you updated on the transfer's progress. That's it. You've successfully sent money to Ghana using Remitly.